Audiobooks are booming and Audible is a top platform. But did you know you can make money there beyond selling your own audiobook? Let's explore 2 easy ways to earn with Audible in under a minute. Step 1. Become an Audible affiliate. This is a popular option. Join Amazon Associates program and you'll get a unique link to Audible. Promote this link on social media, your website, or anywhere relevant. Every time someone clicks your link and signs up for an Audible trial, you earn a commission. Step 2. Promote your existing audiobook. If you already have an audiobook published on Audible, leverage it. Promote your book on social media channels, book review websites, or even collaborate with book bloggers. When people buy your audiobook through your link or listing, you earn royalties. Step 3. Narrate audiobooks for others. This requires some skill, but ASEX by Audible connects authors with narrators. If you have a great voice and enjoy reading, consider creating a narrator profile on ACX. Authors can then hire you to narrate their audiobooks, and you earn a share of the royalties. There you have it, 2 easy ways to turn your love for audiobooks into cash on Audible. Remember, consistent promotion and high-quality audiobooks are key. Start earning, and happy listening. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more audiobook earning tips. Thanks for watching.